Alright, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Elastic Audio in Pro Tools. This is a David Bowie Space Oddity session. Just a quick tutorial on how to do that. So first we're going to see I'm going to demonstrate the original guitar minus the quantization. So I'm going to play that for you real quick. As you can hear, it's not quite lined up right with the drums. It's a little offbeat. So we're going to use the Elastic Audio, which comes with Pro Tools 7.4 at least, and I'm going to use that to quantize it. I had finished quantizing the rest of the song, but I'm just going to play a short little piece for you. So that was the part of the song without it. So now I'm gonna play the portion of the song that I use Elastic Audio to quantize it. There's more. Sorry about that. There's other tutorials with a little better, explanation of what's going on, but I'm just gonna show you a quick one. Alright, see. So with the warp markers, you can adjust those however you want using different controls. You can take them away, you can move them around if the line's out of place or whatever, or you can use, I think it's Alt, at least on PC it's Alt 0 to quantize the entire section, which I'm using right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna play that real quick. So this is the Space Odyssey guitar with the quantization. As you can hear, it's on beat a lot more, which is the goal that we were aiming for. From here, I mean, if you want to remix songs or whatever, this makes it a lot easier. There are some artifacts sometimes, though they say in their little tutorials, that really isn't, but it's not true for every song. But yeah, so I have added my own drums, of course, and I was gonna add additional things to it, but I'm just showing a quick demonstration of Elastic Audio.